doing today? Everything's great. Oh, I hope that pizza's really good. How you doing, buddy? You have a good week? Yeah. Everything's good?
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. It's so awesome. Lovely weather this weekend. It's been really great. The Jays have been losing, but that's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's good.
What's going on?
You mean you haven't heard? Bloor Central's having a silent auction thing, and this is on movie night. It's going to be great. Raising money in its Partners in Mission Fund is going to Salvation Army in Mexico. It's going to be awesome. Only 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sold! That's right. You got it, bud. You're so good today. You're right on the ball. It's got to be that pizza. Yeah, man.
You know it's a silent auction, right?
I do know it's a silent auction.
Silent auction.
What?
Yes, silent auction. No auctioneers. It's just a silent auction.
Can we cut and
yeah, no worries.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Hi. So, what's going on, Matt? You look like you got a lot to say. No? There's nothing happening at all? Like, no, nothing this month? Around, May 24th-ish? Yes, there's something May 24th. Wait, what is it? Stop. Yes. 1, 2, 3, boom. We're having a movie night! Oh, right, okay. We're having a movie night, May 24th. We'd like you all to come out. It's gonna be really, And we're gonna do somersaults? No. 1, 2, 3, boom. 3 strikes you're out. It's a baseball movie. No. Once, twice. Old? Sounds like silent auction! All right. We're having a silent auction. May 24th, same night as the movie night. Is that right? So when people come to the movie night, they'll have a chance to bid on amazing things. Like, what do we have? Tickets to certain sports teams. We have jerseys. We have baked goods. We're going to have, like, jewelry that's getting handmade for this thing. There's most people selling, like, IT services. Like, we can fix computers. People can bid on that if they have really bad computers. We have people that are selling tutoring for, like, different students or, adults that just want to learn stuff. Or, wow, this going to be pretty good. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Awesome. In that case, well, have a good day. Whoa. All right. Ow. There's a wall that way. Oh. You seem to have trapped in a box! Or something. It's a glass box. I don't think anyone can read your mouth through the mask. Oh, there's a door.